So this is the continuing of our previous video of our demo video part 8. So this is a continuing of it. We stop right here where we subtotal all of the subdivision for our expenditure, where we have our fixed expenditure here with a subtotal, and this section from the first day to the 9th day, continuing this whole entire chart with a general subtotal here, and from the 10th day to the 18 days, this whole chart right here, this is the subtotal of it, and from the 19th day here all the way to the 27th day, the entire group here, this is the subtotal as well, and the last 4 days from the 28th to the 31st, this is the subtotal too as well. So as we are putting in expenditure, it will be auto calculating, so there's no need to calculate. So the only thing we need to do here is just to pull in the figure by clicking in the column. We click in the column here and just pull in the figure that we want to put, and it will auto calculate right away. So as we pull in the figure, it will be calculating right away. So as you can see in this other chart too, if we put any figure here, it's going to auto calculate, and we're going to have our subtotal, and for this column our subtotal is going to be here also, and our general subtotal for this group is going to be here as well. So that's how our expenditure works. So for the 19 to the 27, our subtotal. So after all of the subtotal has been added, then now we have our monthly expense total. So this is the general expense for our monthly total for the month of January. So whatever total we have here will also reflect at the summary sheet of our expense. So if you go to the summary sheet of our expense for January, you're going to see it right here, $3,173. So whatever adjustment you make here is going to affect it over there. So let's reduce it and see how much it will be again. So let's go back and see. So now our total is 1,773. So if you want to see it on the data sheet here, you can go down, way down, and you're going to see it here, 1,773. So you are not putting in any total here. Here you are not typing anything right here. No, you are not. The only thing you're doing, only in this chart, you are typing in, but you are not typing in this column where you have the calculator figure. You are not typing in there. Only this column where you have to put in these numbers for the expenditure on the days. Only the column on the days you're going to put in your figure. Therefore here only this you're going to put your figure. So you are not putting figure on the side. No. So you are not putting any figure here either. So here is auto calculated. Once you put any amount in this chart here, it's going to calculate automatically here. So no need to tap in here. If you tap in here, then you're going to spoil the system, because the formula that is calculating all of these numbers is going to remove. So before then, I will see what to do so I can disable that, so can be able to edit it just in case you forget. So wherever you need to edit, there where I will leave open. Yeah, I think that would be the best for that. So that is how to generate our weekly and monthly expenditure. So after generating all of our monthly expenditure now, all of those months, the expenditure of each we add and get our yearly expenditure. So that's how our yearly expenditure come about. So this is our yearly expenditure. So for this expenditure, this last month in last year expenditure is not